Have you ever felt the deep satisfaction of turning a raw piece of lumber into something beautiful? That passion could be your next career. Imagine transitioning from a hobbyist to a business owner, crafting high-quality furniture and decor right from the comfort of your own home. Today, we are exploring 10 incredible benefits of starting a woodworking craft business from home. Let's see why now is the perfect time to start. Benefit number 1. Absolute autonomy. When you run your own home business, you are the boss, the designer, and the visionary. You decide which projects to take on and how to manage your time. There's no corporate ladder, just your own creative path. Benefit 2 is the minimal commute. Forget about traffic jams and long drives. Your workplace is just a few steps away from your bedroom. This saves you hours every week, giving you more time to focus on your craft, and less time stressing over the morning rush. Benefit 3. Low overhead costs. You don't need to rent an expensive commercial space. Your existing home can serve as your headquarters. By eliminating commercial rent, you keep more of your profits, allowing you to reinvest in better tools and higher quality materials. Benefit 4 is creative freedom. From rustic decor to modern cabinetry, you have the liberty to experiment with any style that inspires you. This variety keeps the work exciting and allows your unique artistic voice to shine through every piece you create. Benefit 5. Work-life balance. Working from home means you can be present for your family and take breaks whenever you need a breather. You can schedule your work around your life, not the other way around, leading to a much happier and more sustainable lifestyle. Benefit 6 is staying physically active. Woodworking is a hands-on trade that keeps you moving, lifting, and staying fit while you work. From sanding to assembly, it's a full-body engagement that is far more rewarding than sitting at a desk all day. Benefit 7. Unlimited income potential. With global marketplaces, your home business isn't limited to your local neighborhood. You can reach customers around the world who are looking for high-quality, handmade items that can't be found in big box stores. Benefit 8. A simple business model. The process is straightforward. You create something valuable and you sell it directly to the customer. There are no complicated supply chains. Just your skill, your tools, and a finished product ready for its new home. Benefit 9. Niche market opportunities. You can specialize in unique wood species or personalized engravings that set you apart. Small businesses thrive by offering what mass production can't: personality, customization, and a story behind every piece. Benefit 10. Deep personal satisfaction. There is nothing like the feeling of looking at a finished piece and knowing you made it. Every project is a testament to your hard work and skill, providing a sense of accomplishment that a traditional job rarely offers. Starting a woodworking business from home is about more than just money. It's about building a life you love. So dust off your tools. Take that first step today. Your home workshop is waiting for its first official project. Turn your passion into your reality.